The second non-Mendelian inheritance is codominance. It is the inheritance in which both alleles of a gene are expressed in a hybrid. That is, for example, ABO blood grouping in human. कोडोमिनेंस नाम से ही पता चलता है कि समथिंग इज टुगेदर डोमिनेंट है. Both the alleles are expressed and both alleles are dominant. The character is intermediate and in between both the traits. In F1 resembles both parents. Now I will explain this with the example. Coat color of cattle. Coat in the sense जो काऊ के ऊपर का जो फर होता है, और we can say the skin. When it is black, and I will take the white. Black dominant and white dominant को क्रॉस किया, gametes are formed, एक capital R and one small r. F1 generation आई small capital R and small r, क्योंकि कोडोमिनेंस है दोनों कैरेक्टर एक्सप्रेस होंगे. यहाँ पे पूरा एनिमल ग्रे नहीं होगा, मीन्स ग्रे नहीं बनेगा, एंड जो कैटल बनेगा वो पूरा वाइट होगा, बीच बीच में ब्लैक स्पॉट्स होंगे. इस कलर को हम रोन कलर नाम देंगे. देन हमने सेल्फिंग करवाई, अगेन गैमेट्स बनते हैं, हमने पुनेट स्क्वायर बनाया, उसके बाद कैपिटल आर एंड स्मॉल आर, नो कैपिटल आर एंड कैपिटल आर, विच गिव्स अस एक white, which gives us one black dominant. अगला होगा कैपिटल आर स्मॉल आर, F1 जनरेशन जैसा है ये, which is roan color. Then last होगा स्मॉल आर, that is second parent जैसा बनेगा, which is white. Therefore phenotype ratio में एक complete black है, एक complete white है, and जो दो है वो roan color के है, and the phenotype ratio will be 1:2:1, and the genotype ratio will be 1:2:1. And the third non-Mendelian inheritance is multiple allelism. It is a condition in which more than two alleles govern the same character. Means more than two alternative forms of one gene located on same locus of homologous chromosome. For example, alleles of ABO blood grouping, that is 3 alleles, IA, IB, and small I. The fourth one is polygenic inheritance. Polygenic inheritance means it is the inheritance in which some traits are controlled by 3 or more than 3 genes, that is multiple genes. Means बहुत सारे genes मिलके किसी एक कैरेक्टर को कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं, तो उसको हम कहते हैं इनहेरिटेंस, पॉलीजेनिक इनहेरिटेंस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ह्यूमन स्किन कलर, और the second example is human height, including the DNA. Polygenic inheritance also takes into account the influence of environment. The last one is Neotropic. Pleiotropy is a single gene exhibit multiple phenotypic expressions. Such a gene is called pleiotropic gene. Pleiotropic means multitasking. For example, आप टीवी देख रहे हैं, साथ में खाना खा रहे हैं, और प्लस मोबाइल चलाते हैं. So it's we are doing the multitasking work. Okay. Pleiotropic genes means which controls more than one character. These genes shows multiple phenotypic effect. Now we'll see the Morgan's experiment. Thomas Hunt Morgan worked with the fruit fly, which is the Drosophila melanogaster, to proper chromosomal theory of inheritance. थॉमस ने एक एक्सपेरिमेंट किया with the help of Drosophila. Drosophila is suitable material for genetic study because it breeds very quickly, short generation time, which is the lifespan is 12 to 14 days only. Breeding can be done throughout the year. Hundreds of progenies per mating we get. They can grow on simple synthetic medium. Male and female flies are easily distinguishable. Means we can distinguish male and female flies. It has many heredity variations that can be seen with the low power microscopes.